What I wish I knew at 20 about skincare that could save you years of trial and error. Alright, beauty enthusiasts, today we're diving deep into the secret sauce behind radiant skin. It's not just about the products you use but also about the habits you cultivate. Let's break it down step by step so you can achieve that glowing complexion you've always dreamed of. Number 1, hydration, hydration, hydration. This cannot be stressed enough. Your skin is the largest organ in your body and it needs water to function properly. When you're dehydrated, your skin can look dull and fine lines become more noticeable. Drinking enough water helps to keep your skin plump and resilient. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, but remember, everyone's needs are different. Listen to your body. Drink water like it's your job, your skin will thank you. But hydration isn't just about drinking water, it's also about using products that help your skin retain moisture. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides in your skincare products. These ingredients help to draw moisture into the skin and keep it there. And don't forget about the environment. If you live in a dry climate, consider using a humidifier to add moisture to the air. Next up, vitamin C. This magical ingredient brightens your skin and evens out your complexion. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from environmental damage. It can also help to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. When choosing a vitamin C product, look for one that contains L-ascorbic acid, which is the most effective form of vitamin C. And remember, vitamin C can be sensitive to light and air, so store it in a cool, dark place. And here's a game changer. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you snooze. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, producing collagen and elastin, which help to keep your skin firm and elastic. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and create a bedtime routine that helps you relax and unwind. This could include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing mindfulness meditation. Your skin repairs itself while you snooze. So, clock in those 8 hours. Now, on to exfoliation. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing the fresh, new skin underneath. But it's important to exfoliate gently. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin's barrier and lead to irritation. Aim to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week depending on your skin type, and choose an exfoliant that suits your skin's needs. Chemical exfoliants like alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, and beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, can be more gentle and effective than physical exfoliants. Gently scrub away those dead skin cells twice a week for that fresh, dewy look. Just remember, gentle is key. Finally, sunscreen. Sunscreen is your best defense against premature aging and skin cancer. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Sunscreen should be the last step in your morning skincare routine after moisturizer and before makeup. Just remember, gentle is key. Finally, sunscreen. Rain or shine, always protect your skin from those harmful UV rays. UV rays can penetrate clouds and windows, so it's important to wear sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy or you're indoors. And don't forget about other forms of sun protection like wearing a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses and seeking shade during peak sun hours. Rain or shine, always protect your skin from those harmful UV rays. Trust me, your future self will be grateful. Consistent use of sunscreen can help to prevent sunburn, hyperpigmentation, and the breakdown of collagen and elastin. And if you're concerned about the environmental impact of sunscreen, look for reef-safe options that don't contain harmful chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate. Trust me, your future self will be grateful. There you have it. 5 simple steps to get that coveted glow. But remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works for you and being consistent with your routine. And don't be afraid to seek professional advice if you have specific skin concerns. A dermatologist can help you to develop a personalized skincare plan and recommend treatments that can address your unique needs. There you have it, 5 simple steps to get that coveted glow. So, what are you waiting for? Go shine like the star you are. And remember, beauty comes from within. Take care of your body, mind, and spirit, and your skin will reflect that inner radiance. Stay hydrated, nourish your skin with the right ingredients, get plenty of rest, exfoliate gently, and protect yourself from the sun. With these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving the radiant skin you've always wanted. So, what are you waiting for? Go shine like the star you are. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Catch you next time. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. We're here to help you on your skincare journey. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care of your skin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Catch you next time. And remember, your skin is unique, just like you. Embrace your natural beauty and take pride in your skincare routine. With patience and consistency, you'll see the results you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Welcome back, skincare aficionados. If you've mastered the basics and are ready to take your routine to the next level, this chapter is for you. Today, we're diving into advanced skincare tips that can supercharge your glow and tackle those stubborn skin concerns. First on our list, retinoids. These vitamin A derivatives are a gold standard in anti-aging. They speed up cell turnover, boost collagen production, and help to unclog pores. But they can be potent, so start slow. Apply a pea-sized amount once or twice a week and gradually increase the frequency as your skin builds tolerance. And remember, always use sunscreen during the day, as retinoids can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Next, let's talk about niacinamide. This powerhouse ingredient is versatile and suitable for almost all skin types. It helps to regulate oil production, reduce the appearance of pores, and improve skin texture. Look for serums or moisturizers with at least 5% niacinamide for best results. Now, on to peptides. These small proteins can signal your skin to produce more collagen, leading to firmer and smoother skin. Incorporate a peptide serum into your routine, especially if you're concerned about fine lines and wrinkles. Don't forget about antioxidants. While vitamin C is fantastic, there are other potent antioxidants like vitamin E, ferulic acid, and green tea extract. These ingredients help to neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from environmental stressors. Layer these under your sunscreen for an extra shield of protection. Hydroxy acids like glycolic and lactic acid are excellent for chemical exfoliation. They can help to improve skin texture, reduce hyperpigmentation, and enhance the absorption of other skincare products. Use them a few times a week, but be cautious if you have sensitive skin. Lastly, consider incorporating a facial oil into your routine. Oils like rosehip, argan, and squalane can provide deep hydration and nourishment. They can also help to lock in moisture and give your skin a radiant finish. Apply a few drops as the last step in your nighttime routine. There you have it, advanced skincare tips to elevate your routine and achieve that next-level glow. Remember, skincare is an investment in yourself. Take the time to understand what your skin needs and be consistent with your routine. Your skin will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth beauty tips. And if you have any advanced skincare secrets of your own, share them in the comments below. Catch you next time. Welcome back, Glow-Getters. Now that we've explored advanced skincare tips, let's delve into the world of natural skincare remedies. These time-tested solutions harness the power of nature to give your skin a radiant and healthy glow. First up, let's talk about honey. This golden elixir is not only delicious but also a fantastic natural humectant. It draws moisture into the skin, making it perfect for hydration. You can use it as a face mask by applying a thin layer of raw honey to your skin and letting it sit for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft and moisturized. Next on the list is aloe vera. Known for its soothing and healing properties, aloe vera is excellent for calming irritated or sunburned skin. Simply cut a fresh aloe vera leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to your face. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off. It's a natural way to soothe and hydrate your skin. Turmeric is another powerhouse ingredient with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can help to brighten your complexion and reduce acne. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with yogurt or honey to create a paste. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for 10-15 minutes before washing off. Be cautious, as turmeric can stain your clothes and skin, so it's best to do a patch test first. Let's not forget about green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea can help to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and use a cotton pad to apply it to your face as a toner. Alternatively, you can use the cooled tea bags as a soothing eye compress to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Coconut oil is another versatile natural remedy. It's great for removing makeup, moisturizing, and even as a lip balm. However, it's best suited for dry skin types as it can be too heavy for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Warm a small amount of coconut oil between your hands and gently massage it into your skin. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Finally, let's talk about oatmeal. This gentle exfoliant is perfect for sensitive skin. It can help to soothe and soften the skin. Mix ground oatmeal with water or milk to form a paste. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions and rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel smooth and refreshed. There you have it. Natural skincare remedies that can complement and enhance your routine. Remember, nature has provided us with a plethora of ingredients that can work wonders for our skin. Experiment with these remedies and see what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty secrets. And don't forget to share your favorite natural remedies in the comments below. Until next time, stay glowing.